Hello students, today we are going to see the expression for the maximum work. For this expression, we consider n mole of an ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with frictionless movable rigid piston. Now this gas is expand isothermally and reversibly. Isothermally means at constant temperature. Temperature constant. Isothermally and reversibly from volume V1 to final volume V2 at temperature T. Now this expansion takes place in number of steps. In each step, the external pressure is infinitesimally smaller than the pressure of the gas with a gradual decrease in mass from the piston. Here is a mass. We decrease the mass in each step. So P external is infinitesimally smaller than the pressure of the gas. Now the gas expands slowly and its pressure would decrease. The pressure of the gas decreases and expansion continue. Here there is a expansion in every step. The expansion continue until the pressure of the gas becomes equal to the P external. जोपर्यंत प्रेशर P external is equal to P होत नाही तोपर्यंत काय होणार आहे तिथं increase in pressure होणार आहे. Beyond this no further expansion occurs and mechanical equilibrium is attained. Here mechanical equilibrium is attained if P external is equal to P and the volume of the gas is increased by a small change, that is dV in each step. In each step there is a small change in volume. This process is repeated until the P external, that is surrounding pressure, is lowered infinitesimally and the gas undergoes a series of increment in volume until the volume is reached from V1 to last step V2. जोपर्यंत व्हॉल्यूम V2 पोहोचत नाही तोपर्यंत ही स्टेप काय होणार आहे कंटिन्यू होत जाणार आहे. नाउ इन ईच स्टेप देयर इज ए इंक्रीज in volume, that is dV, and small work done is occurred. So dW is equal to minus P external into dV. This is the work done in a single step when the volume of gas is increased by an small amount or infinitesimal amount dV in a single step. Then there is a work done. dW is equal to minus P external into dV. Now P is the pressure of the gas and P external is the surrounding pressure. In reversible expansion or in expansion is a reversible, so P is greater than the P external. So P minus P external is equal to dP. There is a difference between pressure and external pressure is a dP. So we put the value of P external. So P external is equal to what? P minus dP. हा P external तिकडे गेला आणि हा dP इकडे आला. Now we put the value of P external in this equation. So we get dW is equal to minus the value of P external is what? P minus dP. We put this in this equation. P minus dP into dV. Now multiply minus P dV minus minus plus dP dV. But the value of dP dV is very small, so we neglect it and we get dW is equal to minus P dV. Now this is the equation in a single step. The total amount of work done during expansion from volume V1 to V2 would be the sum means आपल्याला इथं काय करायचं, इंटिग्रेशन करायचंय, sum of contribution of all steps, and therefore we integrate this equation from proper limits and we get the maximum work done. Here integration of dW from initial to final is the W max, because in each step there is a small work done. So dW plus dW plus dW, for number of steps we get the maximum work, so we write here as a W max. Now here PdV, we write here the value of P. We know that the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Now P is equal to what? nRT divided by V. So the value of P is written in this equation. We get nRT into dV divided by V. So we get W max is equal to minus integration of V1 to V2. There is a dV means changeable volume काय आहे, या ठिकाणी ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे dV which is a changeable, and therefore it is the limit from V1 to V2. V1 is the initial volume and V2 is the final volume. Now nRT is the constant, so minus nRT आपण काय केले, बाहेर काढले. So integration of here V1 to V2 dV divided by V. So integration of dV by dV is ln V with proper limit, that is V1 to V2. So minus nRT is as it is. Integration of dV by V is equal to ln V, that is log E, किंवा आपण ln E असं लिहू शकतो. ln V, V1 to V2. This is the initial volume and this is the final volume. Now minus nRT, here there is a limit and therefore upper limit minus lower limit. ln V2 minus ln V1 minus nRT, here ln V2 minus ln V1 is equal to what? So we simplify this as ln V2 divided by V1. Log m upon x is equal to what? Log m minus log n. So आपण इथं काय केलेलं आहे, हा log m minus log n असं कन्सिडर केलं तर काय येणार, log m upon n येतं. तसं या ठिकाणी आपण ln V2 minus ln V1 is equal to ln V2 divided by V1 केलेले. Now minus here we write is ln. If we convert it ln to log to the base 10, then we multiply it by 2.303. So we here multiplied by 2.303. If we write here 2.303, then we write here log to the base 10. So we convert it ln to log 10. We write or multiply by 2.303. So minus 2.303 nRT. ln च्या ऐवजी काय लिहिलं आपण, log to the base 10 V2 divided by V1. So equation, we get the equation W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1. Or also we have, according to Boyle's law, what? P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now V2 upon V1 is equal to what? V2 upon, हा V2 आहे आणि हा V1 इकडे गेला तर V2 upon V1 is equal to काय येणार, P1 divided by P2. So we can also write, instead of V2 upon V1, we can write P1 upon P2. So in terms of pressure, we get the equation as W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1 च्या ऐवजी आपण काय लिहू शकतो, P1 divided by P2. So we can write this equation in terms of volume or in terms of pressure. If we write volume, so then here we write as a V2 upon V1. If we write instead of volume, we write pressure, then we can write it as a P1 upon P2. So this is the equation for maximum work done. This question is asked in exam for 3 marks. So understand? Okay.